The United States has completed the modernization of the B-6112 LPU nuclear bomb as part of its service life extension program. The modernized LEP bomb has less power than the previous model but greater accuracy due to the modified tail fin, which allows the projectile from high altitude to the target. India has conducted ground tests of the engine of the CATS guided unmanned aircraft. The CATS Warrior is being developed as a guided unmanned aircraft capable of taking off and landing from both airfields and aircraft carriers. A full-fledged prototype of a guided unmanned aircraft is planned to be presented at Aero India 2025. American technology firm Shield AI has revealed details of its V-BAT drones deployment and testing in Ukraine. The company confirmed that its vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicle was used under real combat conditions to assess performance and resilience against Russian electronic warfare. Iran unveiled a highly secretive underground missile facility, marking a significant milestone in its expanding ballistic missile capabilities. The facility provides protection from potential airstrikes, ensuring they remain operational even in the event of a large-scale conflict.